Right now, your AI doesn't know you. Not really. Every single day you start from zero. You explain what you do, what you're building, what matters to you. And every single day, it forgets. That's not intelligence. That's a temporary chat window. But there's a different model. A system where your AI doesn't remember. It reads your mind because you built that mind yourself. The real problem isn't AI. It's the lack of continuity. You lose context. Every session resets. You lose connections. Ideas stay isolated. You lose compounding. Nothing builds on top of itself. So instead of climbing, you're running on a treadmill. Same level, every single day. Here's the shift. Obsidian is your long-term memory. Everything you think, write, and learn, stored locally. No cloud, no subscriptions, full control. Claude Code is the interface, an agent that can read your entire knowledge base directly from your files. And between them, one simple layer, a file called claude.md. Inside it, how the AI should think, respond, and navigate your vault, your context folders, your brand voice, your routing rules. You define it once, and suddenly, this isn't a chatbot anymore, it's a system. Let me show you what that actually means. No setup, no prompt engineering. First, I ask it to write content in my voice, not a generic AI voice, my tone, my structure, my patterns. Second, I ask it to review my thinking. It finds a contradiction I missed for months. Something I wrote, but never connected. Third, I ask it one simple question. What did I leave unfinished this week? And it pulls everything. From different notes, different days, different contexts, in seconds, because the context was already there. A normal chatbot works linearly. You ask, it answers, it disappears. Nothing accumulates. But your vault works differently. It compounds. Every note strengthens the system. Every idea connects to another. Every query becomes more precise, and over time, something changes. You're no longer using AI as a tool. You're building a thinking system, one that becomes harder to replicate every single day. You don't need a perfect setup. You need 5 files: who you are, what you're building, how you think, what you're doing right now, and how the AI should work with you. That's it. 1 hour of setup, and the system starts compounding immediately. I've put a template below. Download it. Open Obsidian. Run Claude Code. Start now, not when it's perfect. If this helped, subscribe. Every week on FlowsAI, I break down one real part of the AI workflow. No theory, no fluff, just systems that actually work. Next video, AI thumbnails from brief to final image. See you there.